Good morning, everyone. So just wanted to touch base on a small adjustment I want to make on the upload to SheetCam. It's a relatively simple change up. So when you do set up the system, we go into File and we go to Open Toolset and we install a toolset, and then we hit Save Default Toolset, and that sort of locks in that toolset into SheetCam. Well, one thing I want you to do beforehand is go into Tools and go to Tool Table, and make sure that you remove this. So by default, it's going to say automatically generate name. Make sure that's unclicked, hit OK, and then install it. And if it doesn't come up looking more like this, where it says 1/4 inch mild steel, there's a format that's listed there. That's what I'm going to have you use in the system in the future. So it'll all be in there by default, but you do need to make sure before you load the tool set, go into Tools, go to Tool Table, make sure Automatically Generate Name is unchecked, hit OK, and then File, Open Toolset, and that'll fix you right up.